Today, we're walking through how to install the new Fits Flush Ceiling Vent XL. This is a detailed, step-by-step installation focused on proper planning, orientation, and finishing, so you get a clean, flush result with no issues later. We have a traditional grilled vent in our home, and it works fine, but visually it sits proud of the ceiling. The Flush Ceiling Vent XL by Fits is designed to eliminate that. It sits flush and blends directly into the surface. The first thing to confirm is ceiling or wall depth. The Flush Ceiling Vent XL is 4 inches deep and is designed for both wall and ceiling installation. Before you do anything, orientation is critical. Confirm the filter door direction before cutting or fastening. For wall installs, the filter door must open to the left or right. Do not install on a wall with filter door facing upward towards the ceiling. The gravity can pull the door open. For ceiling installs, the filter door must open away from any walls for easy filter access. If you're retrofitting an existing opening, which we are today, enlarge the hole as needed to fit the body. If the duct opening is too small, carefully widen it to ensure the body fits correctly. For a new install, trace the outline of the body directly onto the wall or ceiling, mark where the joists are so the mounting holes align properly, and so the filter door is positioned for easy access. If a structural joist is in the way, choose a different location or consult a professional. Never cut a joist. A minimum of 2 parallel supports is required, 3 or 4 are recommended. Add additional wood blocking or strapping within the ceiling cavity as needed. Secure the product by driving screws through the drywall bead. For the strongest installation, align with and fasten directly into joist or strapping on minimum of 2 opposite sides. After it's secured to the drywall with the screws, secure the body to the joist and strapping through the side holes. You'd want the door to be opened to allow clearance for your drill. The drill may need to be pointed at an angle to ensure a smooth process. It should be secured to a joist at some point in at least 2 locations. Apply joint compound over the flanged surface, adding fiberglass tape if needed. Allow it to dry fully before moving on. Repeat as necessary to achieve perfectly smooth finish. Sand the surface until it transitions smoothly into the surrounding wall or ceiling. Finish by painting or wallpapering the inside body and plate to match the surrounding surface. When painting, you can roll the paint directly over the vent itself in order to match the rest of the ceiling. To install the filter, open the filter plate. Press the outer plate on the side with a directional hole to disengage the locking mechanism. Always stand to the side, not directly underneath, because the gravity will allow for the plate to swing open. Lower the plate carefully and let the soft close mechanism guide it down smoothly. Slide the filter into place and make sure it's fully secured under the tabs. Start by setting the filter on top of the 2 tabs along the hinge side first, then gently compress the filter to clear the 3rd tab on the opening side. Once the filter is seated evenly, close the plate by pushing it in the same direction you opened it, aligning the pins with the slots. Then just pull it back into the locked position to secure it. That's the full installation of the Fits Flush Ceiling Vent XL, designed to sit flush and install clean.